Man, what a week it has been in the crypto universe. Everything has been pumping and ETH has been leading the charge. But are we going to keep running this rocket ship all the way to the moon and find ourselves on an island drinking cocktails while we laugh at every single bear that doubted crypto? Or is this a fake out and the market maker wants us to be lulled into a false sense of security while it brings down the markets this week? Join us while we analyze the charts, trying to find the answers we so desperately want to know. What's up, everybody? This is Mo Money with Jason, the channel that talks all things money. Ching. Never gets old. Today we are bringing you our weekly Bitcoin update. So if you love Bitcoin and you love updates, smash that subscribe button and hit that bell notification so you can keep up to date with the latest analysis on BTC. Now, before we get into the update, this is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor, and this is purely for educational and entertainment purposes only. So with that being said, let's jump onto the charts. Now, in our last video, we spoke about BTC and ETH and what I believe they were going to do next. I said that BTC on the daily time frame would pull back to this support level, which, as you can see, it has done exactly that. ETH has also had a pullback. However, it has come in the last 24 hours, and judging by where it is currently, it looks like it's going to continue down before we get to a consolidation period again. Even though BTC has pulled back to the support level, it also is consolidating as well. You can see if you drop down to the 4-hour time frame that we have currently broken the channel structure that we were in. There are a couple of ways you can look at price action and where it may move from here. Option one, if we get back inside the channel, we would be looking to break above the 22K mark. However, we have a lot more to go in order to become bullish. Option two, which is plausible, is that if we have a look at the 4-hour time frame, we have broken the 4-hour trend line and market structure has created lower lows. We have now broken this demand zone, so right now we are in a very cautious space in the marketplace. What I'm expecting is, if we are bearish, to break below the demand zone and retest before breaking down further. So pay attention over the next week about that. Other macro factors to keep in mind as we head into the next 2 weeks are what is happening over in the US. And I highly recommend you mark these dates in your diary. The first couple of dates is right now, July 25th to July 29th. This is where Apple, Microsoft, and Tesla will report their earnings, so keep a heads up for this. The second date being July 27th. This is the date that the Federal Reserve announces interest rate rises in the States. This potentially can have an impact on the crypto markets, so definitely another one to keep in mind. And lastly, July 29th, this is when the national GDP Q2 figures will be released. If the GDP is negative again, that means that we are technically in a recession. I do imagine that the media are going to be all over the internet with doom and gloom, so pay attention to that as well. So the markets potentially are going to be turbulent, just food for thought. Shout out of the week goes to Andrew for being so active in our community and asking lots of valuable questions that I'm sure have helped out a lot of the other students in our community as well. So thank you again. Take care, everybody. Stay safe and happy trading.